Carlos.
This is Caleb. We are the
TheCkers.
TheCkers. We made it! Look at your cheeks. His cheeks are turning red. Hello po, we're finally here in Apao Rolling Hills, and as you can see, these are the wave-like pattern that God has created. It is so amazing.
Anong meron?
Well, this is life. We're speeding anywhere. And you know what's the best thing about it? It is also in Tineg, the same municipality where you'll find Kaparkan Spring Terraces. We actually went there in 2017, and if you are an adventure junkie like us, and if you don't mind riding a roller coaster for like an hour, then you should also go and see Kaparkan Spring Terraces. We went to Kaparkan. We rode this huge monster jeepney. It has quite big, quite huge set of wheels, and it is really a monster jeepney, literally, because it's so big, so high, and you will understand why it has to be a monster jeepney when you are actually on the road already. And before you actually go to the muddy part of the road, they will put for some kind of metal chains in the wheels, so that the mud will not stick to the wheels, and so that the jeepney will be able to go through the road. So it was really such an amazing experience. Hello po again. It's actually sunny already, but we went here. We actually arrived here at around 6, I believe. Right, Tatay? We arrived here at around 6, and I think we are the second one to arrive. And now, as you can see, there's a lot of people. What? Oh, we were the first. We were the first one to arrive here. That's why we were able to take pictures almost everywhere and take videos. So it pays to be early. So I suggest that if you're coming here, actually if you're going any tourist spot, you should try to be as early as you can, so that you'll have the place for yourselves. Look, there's so many of them already. Yeah. If you don't want photo bombers in your pictures and in your videos, then go there early. That would be better. And that would be actually the best. So there's plenty of them. See? Hi, Mate! If you're coming here, don't forget your jacket. Because we did actually forget we did forget our jackets. But not Caleb's. So I was actually freezing to death already this morning. But it's a little better now. And we're going home. Can you believe it? We actually brought a thermos here. And look at how many bags of food and snacks we had. Takot po kaming magutom. See, they're all eating now. They got hungry. Ay! Enjoy!
What did you find? Wow, what's that? It's grass. Whoa.
Mine! Caleb!
Thank you.
Twinning! Bonnet twinning! Family shake! Yay! Go! Hi guys! Bye!